Assalamu alaikum level 10 student, this is your 7th lecture and in our last lecture we have completed unit 4. So today we will discuss its exercise and review 1. So first discuss glossary. Accessible, काबिल रसाई, काबिल पहुँच, easy for anyone to obtain and use. Adhesive, चिपकने वाला, sticky, gluey. Antibiotic, जरासीम कुश. A substance which is capable of destroying or inhibiting the growth of bacteria or other microorganisms. Infection, खराबी, the agency by which disease is caused or transmitted. Ingredients, अज्जा, the substance that are combined to make something. Minor, मामूली, छोटा, relatively small in size. Ointment, marham, a medicine preparation in the form of a soft, smooth paste. Rinse, to wash out something, wash something quickly. Tweezer, chimney, a small pair of pincers for taking up small objects. Plucking out hairs, also pair of tweezers. Next task is choose the correct answer. If blood spurts are continuous flowing after continuous pressure, C. Seek medical assistance. Correct answer is C. Theroclinic reducing the risk of A. Infection and tetanus. If a dash appears, rash. B. 4. Change the dressing at least daily. Band-aids or sticky plasters are good for dressing up A. Wounds. Next task is position of adverbs. Place adverbs at appropriate places. I am always happy. तो I am के बाद आ जाएगा always. I am always happy when it is my birthday. Second, my brother often gets up. Brother के बाद adverb आएगा often. My brother often gets up at 6 o'clock from Monday to Friday. Third one is he went to the market last night. So last night last पे ही आएगा. Have you ever, तो you के बाद adverb आएगा ever. Have you ever been to Hunza Valley? Next is the birds were chirping beautifully. तो यहाँ पे last पे ही आएगा. I am still waiting for Khalid to arrive. तो I am के बाद adverb आएगा still. I am still waiting for Khalid to arrive. I have been waiting for over 20 minutes. He saw a blind beggar in the market. So यहाँ पे last पे ही adverb आएगा in the market. Okay students, next task is to change adverb with adverb phrase and adverb phrase to change with adverb. अब adverb phrase क्या है? An adverb phrase is a group of words that functions like an adverb. तो हमने पहले इसको डिस्कस किया हुआ है कि अगर सिर्फ एक सिंगल वर्ड वर्ब को मॉडिफाई करता है तो हम उसको एडवर्ब कहते हैं. तो अगर एक से ज़्यादा वर्ड्स मिलके वर्ब को ही मॉडिफाई करते हैं तो उसको एडवर्ब फ्रेज बोला जाता है. सो लेट्स डिस्कस फर्स्ट एग्जांपल. ही वर्क्स केयरफुली. वो केयरफुली काम करता है. यहाँ पे केयरफुली मॉडिफाई कर रहा है वर्ब को जो कि है वर्क. वो काम करता है. कैसे काम करता है? केयरफुली. अब केयरफुली एक सिंगल वर्ड है सो ये एडवर्ब है. अब हम अगर केयरफुली की जगह पे एक से ज़्यादा वर्ड्स लेके आएंगे तो वो एडवर्ब फ्रेज होगा. लाइक ही वर्क्स विद ग्रेट केयर और ही वर्क्स विद ग्रेट अटेंशन. अब विद ग्रेट केयर ये 3 वर्ड्स हैं सो ये एडवर्ब फ्रेज है और केयरफुली सिंगल वर्ड है वो एडवर्ब. अब हमने इनको रिप्लेस करना है. नेक्स्ट टास्क इज फाइंड अ सूटेबल एडवर्ब टू रिप्लेस ईच एडवर्ब फ्रेज इन फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. आवर टीचर वांटेड दैट वर्क टू बी डन विदाउट डिले. विदाउट डिले एडवर्ब फ्रेज है. यहाँ पे आप एडवर्ब लेके आएंगे इमीडिएटली, क्विकली, हरिडली. लाइक शी इज़ without doubt the most caring person I have met. विदाउट डाउट एडवर्ब फ्रेज है, एडवर्ब आ जाएगा अनडाउटेडली, श्योरली। The plant flowers once every year, yearly, annually. You should complete the work in a while, shortly, instantly, quickly. The two old friends met each other by accidentally. Next is complete the following sentences with infinitive or gerund. Infinitive first form, मोस्टली टू के बाद जो फर्स्ट फॉर्म होती है जेरेंट, जो एक जेरेंट नाउन होता है वर्ब के साथ जब ing आ जाए। वी फेल्ट द प्लेन शेकिंग इन द स्टॉर्म, आई हैव ऑलवेज डिसलाइक्ड स्मोकिंग। वेयर डिड यू लर्न टू स्पीक फ्रेंच? इन द एग्जीबिशन वर्थ विजिटिंग। इज द एग्जीबिशन वर्थ विजिटिंग? आई डोंट माइंड गेटिंग अप अर्ली। We would love to come with you. She seems to know this place. फर्स्ट जो है वो जेरेंट है, सेकंड भी जेरेंट है, थर्ड इन्फिनिटिव, फोर्थ जेरेंट, फिफ्थ जेरेंट, सिक्स्थ इन्फिनिटिव, सेवन इन्फिनिटिव। Next task is identify gerund and infinitive in the following sentences. We have discussed earlier. Minor cuts and scrapes usually stop bleeding in their own. Stop infinitive, bleeding gerund. To clean the area around the one, use soap and a washcloth. To clean infinitive है। नेक्स्ट में जो है चेकिंग इन्फिनिटिव है, चेकिंग gerund है। टू सी इन्फिनिटिव है। फोर्थ में टू कीप इन्फिनिटिव है। फिफ्थ में यूजिंग जो है वो gerund है। सिक्स्थ में वॉशिंग gerund है और टू रिमूव इन्फिनिटिव है। Okay, student, next task is review 1. Choose the correct option. It buys the most equitable plan. Equitable, reasonable. We decided every case brought in by friend or foe with justice, without fear or favor. The underlined word means foe mean enemy. Third one is ancestors. B, forefathers. Four, पढ़ाए. A, किस season पहले. Another popular custom. Custom means रस्म रिवाज. B, practice. First aid knowledge ranges from taking care of cuts to dealing with the unconscious victim. Victim means sufferer. The synonym of persevere is A, persist. The synonym of reward is prize. B. The antonym of mighty is A, weak. The antonym of fail is B, succeed. The accident was due to his ruthlessness. The underlined word is a and dash noun, abstract noun. लापरवाही, गफलत. Our job is to keep the audience happy. Audience is collective noun. We have to take the bus dash tomorrow morning, early tomorrow morning. 14th is we cleaned our bottle so we could use it again. C, cleaned. Ali was impressed by Sarman's grades. B. Last summer we visited many places. A. All students compete for prizes. B. Compete. Didn't you see the sign? You should not drive at more than 30 minutes per hour. B. Should not. You dash find Lubna in the garden, but I doubt it. You might find Lubna. Might आ जाएगा. Choose the correct spelling. B. Intercede. नॉर्मल ही है काम.